Hey everybody, I'm Joel Hayden. Welcome to the EyeCare and Wellness channel. Today we're talking about what's better for the environment. Daily disposables or 2-week or monthly contact lenses. And for most of you, you're looking at that saying, that's kind of foolish. That's kind of a foolish statement, Dr. Hayden. Of course, daily disposables creates a lot more waste. Well, on the surface, you're correct. If you're looking at the number of contacts, certainly 730 pair a year compared to either 12 pair or 24 pair with the 26 pair with weekly. And of course, you can't forget you have the foil of the blister packs and the plastic of the blister packs, 730 of those compared to 52 of those at most. Okay, I'll give you that. But here's what we're not thinking. That's pretty much all they have. But what else do these guys have? Well, it takes about 5 ounces of contact lens solution to fill both sides of your contact lens case at night. Most of the bottles are about 150 milliliters, and it takes 5 milliliters total. So that's a 30-day supply in one of those bottles. And you're going to need about 12 of them. And some of you may say, I don't use 12 of them. Well, you probably don't fill it all the way like the directions say to. So you're not as compliant as others. But that's 12 of those bottles, decent sized bottles of the contact lens solution. So now when you compare the amount of plastic in the year's supply compared to the year's supply of monthly and 2 weeks, they're within 10% of each other. Now, you haven't added the case yet, so that's going to add to it. And now you have to think, what else? Well, the daily disposable wearers are usually there because they've had things like environmental allergies that are much less with daily disposables than they are with monthly and 2-week lenses. So that means that these guys are going to be using over-the-counter allergy medication more often, whether it be Pataday, Zatador, any of the other ones that may be out there that they want to use. They're going to use rewetting drops more often. And guess who's more likely to have eye infections and issues that drive them back, dry eyes, that drive them back to their eye doctor, where they're going to have to get prescription medication, which come in what? Plastic bottles. These guys. So when the whole day is done, the 2-week and 1-month lens wearers will more than likely use up more plastic for the year than the people using the year's supply of daily disposables. So I hope that was eye-opening. It was for me, to tell you the truth, because I started the whole thing. So when it came to my patients telling me that they wanted to not go into daily disposables because of the carbon footprint, I really had to dig in and found some studies that brought me to this point, and I am literally sharing that with you. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you consider using the daily disposables, and it's going to be a better option for you and the environment. Until next time, take care.